Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sasikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly predictions from 8th of Feb 2021 to 14th Feb 2021, Valentine Day, 14th Feb. So 8th February 2021 to 14th February 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will get definitely some information related to your related to your ascendant sign. So let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants this whole week from 8th Feb 2021 to 14th Feb 2021. You will see mixed fruits. Monday and Tuesday will be a bit struggling days for you. You will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Try to use polite word with your business partners or your life partner, because Monday and Tuesday is not rewarding days for you. You may be a part of any problem, any litigation, or some health related issue may arise. So you need to be careful while talking with others. You need to be careful while eating. Don't eat non-veg. Don't eat market food or junk food. Try to eat homemade food. It will be helpful for you. And Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days for you in the terms of profession. You will get some unexpected money. You will feel much relaxed and better. You will enjoy all comforts. Your health will fine and your relationship will be on the track. You will sign new documents or new deal in foreign land. If you are importer exporter, you may get some foreign transaction that will make you happy. Aries, this whole week will give you mixed fruit, especially Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you. Don't sign any new deal, and Wednesday and Thursday, very rewarding days for you. If you want to start anything new, you may start, but Mercury is retrograde in this week. So I would suggest you don't start anything new, because Mercury retrogression, when Mercury is retrograde in transit, don't start anything new. This is for all zodiac sign, this is for all ascendants, this is for all moon sign. So Mercury is retrograde. Don't try to start anything new. You will get a lot of opportunities, but you don't try to start anything new Wednesday and Thursday. Opportunities are there. There is no doubt. And weekend, you will enjoy very good time, Friday and Saturday with your family and friends. And Friday, you will get unexpected money from stock market. If you're already investing your money at stock market, if you are a trader, if you are a businessman, if you are any type of shopkeeper, you will get fantastic results. Aries, this whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling for you. Rest Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday will be a rewarding days for you. If you want to do something, then you may start, but Mercury is retrograde. So I would suggest you don't start anything new. You will get a lot of opportunities from Wednesday to Saturday, but try to start everything when Mercury is direct after 1 or 2 weeks. So overall, you will get a lot of financial benefits from Wednesday to Saturday. Aries, you will enjoy this week. My good wishes are with you. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants this whole week from 8th February 2021 to 14th February 2021. You will be sky high and top. You will enjoy unexpected money. You will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. You will enjoy new business opportunities. You will enjoy lot of unexpected gains. But your fifth lord is retrograde. Don't try to invest your money anywhere. Don't try to sign any new deals. Don't be a part of any problem or any litigation. Avoid arguments with your seniors at your workplace. Just focus on your work. You will get fantastic work. There is no doubt. If you have a Yogkarak Mahadasha in your birth chart, you will definitely steal the show. You will definitely rock. Overall, this whole week, Taurus, you will see mixed result. Monday and Tuesday will be a wonderful days for you. You will be sky high and top. Your confidence level will be on peak and you will do some wonders. And Wednesday and Thursday, you will get unexpected money. You may start anything new, but Mercury is retrograde. I would suggest you don't start anything new on this week. Even till the Mercury is retrograde, don't start anything new. Don't give your money to anyone during Mercury retrogression. Otherwise, your money will never get back. So, Friday and Saturday, there's a strong chances you will get a lot of appreciation from your workplace. Work pressure will irritate you. because a lot of work pressure will irritate you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts at your workplace. You will get a lot of benefits from your workplace. There is no doubt, because Venus transit in your Navam Bhav, 9th house with Jupiter Saturn, and Saturn is also going to arise from 8th of Feb. This will be ultimate week for you, Taurus. You just need to perform your best, put your 100% effort. You will get fantastic results. Monday, Tuesday, even Wednesday, Thursday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will get lot of appreciation at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied. You may get visa, you may get some promotion related to foreign activities. If you are in foreign job, you will definitely get very good appreciation. You just need to perform your best, do your wonders. You will definitely sky high and rock, and you will achieve lot of goals. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 8th February 2021 to 14th Feb 2021. Guys, you need to be careful while talking with your elders. You need to be careful while talking with your father especially. Give some respect to your father. Show your honor, respect to your father. The way you give respect to your father, the way you get positive response from universe, from solar system. Because Jupiter Saturn is in your 8th house. The plus point is from 8th of Feb. Saturn is a rise. This is good for you, but is Ashtam Bhav is not very promising for you. And your ascendant lord is retrograde from 4th Feb to till next few weeks. So you need to be careful. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't be a part of any problem. Try to give respect to your elders at home. Try to be in a polite talks with your friends. The more you give respect to your parents, the more you get benefit results. Otherwise, struggle are there. Lot of problems are there. You will face lot of trouble. Mentally, you are not feeling happy. Mentally, you are feeling very low. Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you. When you are not in a comfort zone, you will see lot of up and down in your professional life. Your mind is totally upset and disturbed. Wednesday and Thursday, again, this is not very promising days for you. If you're finding a job, you are unable to find. If you are trying to put your effort to find a job, if you get job, but that job is not as per your expectations. So this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you, because your ascendant lord is retrograde. And moon is supporting you on the Friday and Saturday, when you will get some small profit from your old investments if you are a businessman. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem and your source of earning will be affected. Gemini, you need to perform your best and must read Om Ganganapataye Namah mantra. Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah. 108 time, 121 time, 151 time. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. I repeat this mantra. Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah. And read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning for your positive energy. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or any litigation. If you are willing to apply for PR or work permit in foreign land, you will definitely get a lot of fantastic results, because Jupiter aspecting is on your 12th house. It will give you a lot of good results related to foreign activities. But overall, don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on strangers. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Give some respect to your spouse. Give some respect to your elders at your home. This is the biggest remedy for you. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.